Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D's news time, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, welcome back once again. Yeah, what a beautiful day in Canada, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful day, beautiful weather, beautiful atmosphere, and everything is going well right here. We're chilling out. We're chilling, ladies and gentlemen. Funky D say we're chilling here, alright? So today, the news when I get for now, and news when still concern this man what they call Atiku Abubakar, ladies and gentlemen. Tribunal rejects ex-VP Atiku Abubakar of PDP application to inspect the server. Tribunal rejects Atiku's application to inspect the server when INEC then don't tell the whole fucking world, say server must be used. And we believe 100% that there is server. INEC use server, but they don't come and they tell us, see, server dey for Cameroon. God go punish all of una when be INEC and the Jubilee. When una dey there, una don't know what una they do. They don't inaugurate Buhari. Some president, when they inaugurate them, 72 hours like Indian Prime Minister, 72 hours after inauguration, now the man name all his ministers. All his ministers, this man don't name all of them immediately. They know the key time up to today. We not hear him from the man when una when be APC and the Fulani fools go come from Sudan, come impose on Nigerian people when we not vote for them and we don't know where he come from and we don't know who him be. So ladies and gentlemen, if you say you want contact say Funky D, they disrespect una elders, I mean the politicians when they Nigeria there, so be it. I'm disrespecting them and I will continue to disrespect them and I will continue to insult them and I will continue, to preach the good gospel. Waiting I know be say another insult you. If you think say na insult where they give you, you go manage them because now waiting you deserve be that. You get. But with me I know be say now the truthful thing I just dey tell her. So all these sick politicians when be APC people, APC government, APC starting from Jubilee, when come from Sudan, when we don't know who him be, and come couple with that Oshomole when be like and including Oshobanjo when be like Chihuahua, all of them. God will give all of them one after the other. Ladies and gentlemen, then talk see they according to the news. Then say I wonder whether Nigeria self go get Nigeria not get any good justice system in that country. We not get them because if Nigeria gets good justice system, things no go be the way when it be because of the intimidation and the harassment from the APC people. Because they intimidate the judges with everything, including bribing them, after intimidating them, insulting them, harassing them, they'll constantly bribe them on top. Then you see everything don't scatter. That is why you see we know they get the rating from our justice system. So everything concerning Nigerian government, or I mean the government bodies in Nigeria, is fraud. Today, everything concerning Nigerian government is fraud. Alright, so according to what then they talk, would they hear say the People Democratic Party, PDP, in its 2019 presidential candidate, Atiku Abubakar, to inspect the server used by the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, in the last 2019 election. The Presidential Election Petitioner Tribunal had on Monday dismissed the application which was filed by Atiku Abubakar and the PDP, the People Democratic Party. Justice Mohammed Garba, chairman of the panel, had ruled that granting such applications at this interlocutory stage would prompt the substantive petition. All right. So, which means the election petition filed by Atiku, all right, dismissed by the tribunal. Now be the meaning where they tell us now, ladies and gentlemen, may we not just begin to speak big grammar right here. We not they speak big grammar right here. We they talk and so that people when not sabi speak that grammar, then go they hear waiting they happen in our country. That is the reason why Funky D opened this platform. Because it gets some people when we see they don't know when big regions war. They not sabi come, they not sabi go. But when you speak this our language, where they speak here, when be pidgin English, then they understand it all. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, what did they tell us now? Be see, the tribunal now be the court when Atiku Abubakar go file this their kangaroo case where they file. They don't talk now. See the electoral tribunal when be the court now when the place when the case day they don't talk. See they don't dismiss Atiku's petition. You know, see, and again and again, our prediction, Funky, this prediction, don't come to pass again. I don't tell on her before. See, at the end of the day, the case, then go begin tell us story, say, they don't dismiss the case. Now the thing what they talk today, it never even read 2 weeks when I make that video. When I they predict to say Atiku Abubakar go don't carry money. Being say na them be the main people when they on top. People when they support them, they no go know say the man don't carry billions of dollars go inside house. Then go the thing when go here be see Atiku Abubakar case say they don't cancel him. Now him now we hear today say the case in the tribunal according to the news. Say the tribunal don't throw away the case because when they hear say this Jubilee, they don't they tell court say made them strike out Atiku's petition. Now they don't really finally they don't strike him out. They say Atiku cannot inspect any server. Say they not get server when you and I know see INEC use server in the whole of 36 states where we get in that country. But today, then they come now, they tell us, see, the case now, they don't dismiss them, they don't sack they don't want make Atiku, then tell Atiku, say, nothing like server. So, ladies and gentlemen, the thing when I want to advise everybody today, be saying, you know, for me, when be Funky D, now my own me at the talk. You get, I don't know what will be your opinion after listening to this my video. All right. So the issue when did they be see the very day, the very period when this Jubilee issue they boil for ground. Although we know say that issue will not still sweep them under the carpet. Now the APC and PDP cohorts now then done they try to push them under the carpet. When we say no, this man when they there not be Buhari, na Jubilee from Sudan. And everybody knows na Jubilee from Sudan. Alright? Now that very first time, I know say Nigeria not be better place, not be better country. In fact, not be place to even to go visit. So, I don't tell you before, say these people, if we come back in 3 years time or 3.5 years time, can't tell us say Atiku win. And they'll carry the man they give Atiku. Look at what is happening. All our predictions don't just they happen one after the other. So again, I don't tell them say in 3.5 years or in 3 years time, they still tell us say Atiku win. So the Kabas and the Northerners and the Fulani people then will continue to the rule from there. Because they don't want you, either south or southeast, or Southwest to take the power. So the first still play this mago, ladies and gentlemen. And this video now, you know, see, as we make video they day where they day. In 3 years' time, we go still play and come out. We go still continue to watch these people closely with the Wayo and the mago. What did they do? So, as I was saying before, this issue of this Jubri when come out, when we see the narrate, when some fools they not still want to believe, say that man when they there. Some of them know, but then they fear because they say army fit come ready their house, police fit come kill them, things like that. They fit send assassin come meet them for their house. That's why then they fear say they don't want to talk the matter. But not be so, ladies and gentlemen, because if we continue like this, we know they go nowhere. So it is better we continue to narrate things until we see how to solve the problem. Only that Jubri alone issue, he reach Nigeria to divide. That man is not from Nigeria, Jubri. The man won't be on a president. Again, look now, waiting these people when be same Jubri group, same cabas, when keep us for hunger, when not they do anything for us, when say our economy don't sink down, they destroyed everything, then they carry billions. We won't be the citizens, we just there, they suffer. You understand? So, these same people, this thing now won't happen now. Again, it don't reach Nigeria to divide again because we can never ever believe in our judicial system. We not they believe in election anymore. We not they believe in nothing 2023. We not believe in 2019. We not believe in APC. We not believe in PDP, ladies and gentlemen. The ultimate way, the only thing we can do to survive right now, ladies and gentlemen, now the division of the country. Serious revolution. Because that division no go come when revolution no land. There must be serious revolution before we begin talk about dividing, you know, ourselves. Everybody going their way, okay? Going their separate way. All right. So this criminal politicians and our criminal judiciary and our criminal president and the criminal senators and the criminal, all these criminals we have in Nigeria have to be swept away, ladies and gentlemen, completely. Before you go begin to say you won't do anything, even the referendum, all these things, all these criminal elements in the government, I mean the APC, the politicians, the PDP, all of them have to be swept away. First, we can't believe in all these fools, man. We can't believe in all these criminals, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know the people when they believe all this PDP and APC thing. And if you are believing in APC and PDP, I don't regard you as somebody. I don't regard you. I regard you as a criminal. Now you say all of them are the same. People when they believe in APC, they believe in PDP. These two political thieves. If they believe in them, all of them are the same thing. If they believe in Obasanjo, if they believe in Jubri, if they believe in Atiku, if they believe in Buhari, if you are believing in all this Oshomole, Mokorocha, Bola Tinubu, Vice President, whether you be Igbo, you be outside, you be Yoruba, whatever, wherever you come from, ladies, if they believe in these people, you are the same like them. So we know they regard you as somebody. I say all of you now need to be swept away first, even before that 2023, ladies and gentlemen. But if we leave these people like this, we are standing on time bomb, ladies and gentlemen. Time bomb. And then when the bomb go explode, it will be difficult. It will be very, very difficult for Nigerian people. We are sitting on APC and PDP time bomb. And now this time, ladies, I say we go scrap all these people away first. I know they believe anything in one Nigeria, ladies and gentlemen. Again, APC don't come spoil, scatter everything for Nigerian people. PDP don't come scatter because now PDP, APC people, they look onto. Now him make that they do this thing because they don't the thing when PDP don't do now him APC they repeat. APC na continuation of PDP. Look at up to today, the election where they don't make everybody believe say I mean the server where they don't make everybody believe say they must to inspect them, they must to this with the here and now today now say tribunal say Atiku Abubakar no go inspect that server. See, nothing like server. Okay. If una say server not there, I don't tell una this thing before. We are not believing in one Nigeria, but this matter, we need to talk about this matter, ladies and gentlemen. If they pay you for a year when Funky D they talk, make it they pay you. You're not concerned Funky D. Okay, I neck on a soon and not get server. That 245 billion, waiting on what they can do, ladies and gentlemen. Waiting on what take that 250 billion do when una don't get document upon document, pile up of evidences say una use server to collate result. So, ladies and gentlemen, the thing when we need that the division of the country. Anyhow, when if they want to divide them into 4, make them divide them. If they want to divide them into 3, make them divide them. If they want to divide them into 20, make them divide them. So that everybody will go their way. We not they believe in any 2019 election because there's nothing like 2019 election. Nigeria have no president. Up to today, Nigeria have no president. So, una, when we say una they believe in Atiku Abubakar, ladies and gentlemen, make una stop to they believe in Atiku Abubakar. These are herdsmen people. Atiku Abubakar and then get me Atiala. Atiku Abubakar them and then they send them. Unayangudo and his group, the Igbo people, the Biafran people, when we say them go vote for Atiku Abubakar, make una stop believing in these people. They are playing games with your heads. They are playing politics with your life. They are playing politics with your blood. They are playing politics with your money. They are playing politics with everything about you. Make una stop to the believe Atiku Abubakar. Atiku Abubakar no be better person. If Atiku Abubakar na better person, as tribunal say no, even before that tribunal, even before the case go court, even before the case go court, serious protest when Atiku Abubakar for lead. If Atiku Abubakar na better person, if in the show of waiting in the talk, if in not they work hand in hand with Jubri. This one a man when we say 247 he day with Jubri. So tell me the difference between Atiku Abubakar and Jubri. So if Atiku Abubakar na man, in the show say he win election, he win his own election and they cheat him out. Ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about presidential election. If Atiku Abubakar say in the show saying win election, I say the first day, that day when they announced it, in fact before the tribunal, the INEC begin do all this when they last more than 7 days before they come give us the fake result where they give us today. Serious protest for boss in that Aso Rock. If Atiku Abubakar is sincere to himself. So these are the reason why when for they talk see. Make una remind Atiku Abubakar. He's a criminal, he's a rogue, he's a liar. He's a deceiver. He's among these people that we calling. I mean, the herdsmen and the Boko Haram, they are the chief sponsors. Una they shout, Atiku Abubakar can never give you no restructuring, nothing. So everything now, we don't see, finally, these people, they are still working hand to hand. Now, tribunal don't talk now. Atiku Abubakar still keep quiet. How you tell me say I win election? You they tell me say na you win me. When I know say I win you and I get my evidence. So make una stop. Make una stop to the deceive people. Waiting we need now. We won't be Nigerian people. We won't be the masses. We won't be the majorities. Ladies and gentlemen, now revolution. Because we are not going to see any good thing coming in that country without revolution. Without separation. After the revolution, ladies and gentlemen, I think when they call on Igbo, Yoruba, Arewa, all of them, when believe say the government of Nigeria today, not be better government. We come together, fight this fight. After the fight, after everything, everybody can go their way. Now the thing went from Kidi mean all the time, because this fight not be fight for one tribe or one region. No. It's going to be a combined effort. So after we don't defeat these criminals, anybody when they answer APC or PDP, we don't send them to where they belong to, ladies and gentlemen. Then we can divide peacefully. Anybody when say won't go. People want to say they want to join themselves together, they can join themselves together. But ladies and gentlemen, without that revolution, these people, they don't try us first one. This 2019 now, they don't succeed though. You know, say they don't succeed. They don't already put Buhari. They don't see our weakness. They no say we're not there together. They no say we not come together. They no say we not unite. Ladies and gentlemen, I said then go try them again in 2023. And then nothing will still happen. If we not do anything, this 2019, where they don't succeed, kill people, rig, do all the wuru-wuru, INEC tell us they get server. Today they tell us they not get server after they don't put Jubri from Sudan. Ladies and gentlemen, as we quiet this 2019, these people, they are going to kill everybody in 2023. In fact, for you people, when they expect 2023, ladies and gentlemen, they are killing everybody. Because this is a dictatorial regime. APC, they not send you message. PDP, they not send you message. It is high time for us to come together. Whether in Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, we come together, fight against these oppressive elements. Fight against this oppressive government, oppressive politicians. When they not they let us, we not even see water to drink in our own country. Everybody they inside darkness in our own country. But then go carry our money, go they build Dubai, they build London, they build different countries, and we did the suffer. So, ladies and gentlemen, now to come together, I don't tell una, make una organize, come together, make we organize, come together, because the thing when they go do these people, they don't try us now 2019, they have succeeded. They say, these people then be food, they're not know anything, and it's true. Because we disagree to come together. And the politicians keep on killing. Sending herdsmen, sending Boko Haram, doing all sorts of things to distract our attention. While all our words are gone. They have sold everything. Today they go tell us they don't get money. Tomorrow they go tell us they don't get money. But the one senator, they carry almost 14 million go home every month. And the money not there in the country. You don't see where that one they happen. So, ladies and gentlemen, now to come together, now here I won't stop this matter. If you get anything when you want yam concerning this thing, make you yana. If you get anything at all, yana. Share my video. These people, ladies and gentlemen, they not feel pay single salary and then they carry 14 million a month. Go house. And you 18,000 when they don't tell, when they say they don't tell me, say they're not going to pay since 100 years, they're not a fee pay. Many states own workers where they pay. So them, but they tell you say money not the the government when they tell you money not the they carry billions, they enter account every month. You understand? So this is not the time when we need to think twice, so that this revolution will go on once and for all, ladies and gentlemen. And here we will stop the matter, like I said before. So you know, say you never share my video, begin share my video. Share my video, right? Share this video, go give Jubri. We not send a message. Share this video, go give America. This man they call Atiku Abubakar. And make una continue to subscribe. Make una not forget to press that bell sign so that anytime when Funky D one upload, now we first get my video. One love, everybody. Bye.